to Maths and Physics class. We are here to solve maths for your understanding, and we teach in depth so that you will be able to get the better understanding of the concepts. From our next class, we are going to be dropping videos on different topics. Then we are going to be looking at standard form and expanded form of numbers. So today might be the last day we are going to solve questions on analytical equations. We believe that if you have been following us, and if you have not, go and check our videos. And if you do and go through all and listen and watch to all, listening to all and watch all, you are going to get better and deeper understanding of indices, talking about the laws and solving analytical equations for you to get a better understanding. Now we have an expression on the board, and this is another equation under indices, indical equation. We have the left hand side reading 3 raised to the power 3x, and the right hand side is 81 raised to the power 3 over 4. How can we solve this for us to get the value of x? Because we are actually looking for the value of x. So the left hand side is having 3 raised to the power 3x, while the right hand side is having 81. So the question that will come to our mind is, how can we express 81 to have foundation numbers 3? 81 is actually 3 raised to the power 4, and the original power is 3 over 4. So we can break down 81 to 3 over 4, because 3 over 4, 3 raised to the power 4, is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 into 4 places multiplied to give us 81. So that value is still maintained, and the original value 3 over 4 comes down with it. So if we have expressed this, you can see that the left hand side and the right hand side now have the same foundation number. So if they are so, it means that we can equate the power, because that is what we have been saying, that when you have the foundation number equal, then you can equate the power or the indices. So we bring down the left hand side as 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to 3 raised to the power 4 all raised to the power 3 over 4 will now become 3 raised to the power 4 times 3 over 4. So that is what we said when we dealt with the law of indices, which has multiple powers. That if you have indices of powers, that what you do to the powers is to multiply them, find their product, and that will give you the final product or the final answer. Now what we are saying is that a number is raised to power, and all the numbers raised to another power. So you can actually bring the two powers together by multiplying them to have a single power. And that is what we are trying to do in this place. So on the left hand side, we have 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to 3. 4 times 3 over 4, we have, this 4 will cancel 4, and we have just 3 remaining there. So if 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to 3 raised to the power 3, the foundation numbers are the same. They are equal, 3 and 3, 3 equal to 3. It means that the powers are also equal. So we can say therefore 3x is equal to 3. So how do we get the value of x? We get the value of x by dividing both sides by 3. We divide both sides by 3 so that this 3 can go away by cancelling it and remaining x. So whatever we do to the left hand side, we also do to the other side, the right hand side. So we now have 3x all over 3 is equal to 3 all over 3. So when you do this to both sides, the equation still remains the same. The essence of doing this is to make sure we cancel out this 3 so that s will remain, because s is actually what we are looking for. S is what we want to get the value and not 3x. So this 3 will cancel 3, allowing x to remain. When we cancel 3 with 3, we have 1 over 1, and that's equals to 1. What we've done so far in this question is that we have 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to 81 raised to the power 3 over 4. 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 81 can be converted to 3 raised to the power 4. Why we are converting to 3 raised to the power 4 is because we already have 3 on the left hand side. We just want to do it so that we will have equality. If it is 2, we find a way of changing the other number if it is possible to 2. But if it is 3 as it is here, we are going to convert this one to 3 but with a power. Because 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, so the original power is there, 3 over 4. We have studied in our previous classes that when you have two powers attached to a number or an unknown, what you do to the two powers is to multiply them. When you multiply them, you change it to a single product, and it's still the same thing. So we have here 1 power 4 and the other power 3 over 4. If you multiply 4 and 3 over 4, all you have is 3 because this 4 will cancel out and we have 3. So in this right hand side we're having, on the right hand side we're having 3 raised to the power 3, while on the left hand side we're having 3 raised to the power 3x. If the base number or the root numbers are the same, it means that the powers are also equal. 3s will be equal to 3. So that's what we have here. So if we want to allow s to remain, we must cancel out this 3. And that's why we divide both sides by 3. Because we cannot divide both one side by 3 and leave the other side. If you divide both sides by 3, the equations still remain equal and the same and balanced. So 3 cancel 3, we have s remaining. And 3 cancel 3, we have 1 over 1. And 1 over 1 is same thing as 1. So thank you very much for following us all through under these indices, throughout the laws of indices, the indical equations, and all the examples we've solved. We believe that by next video that we'll be dropping, we're going to be looking at standard form and expanded form of numbers. How do we represent standard form of numbers? How do we represent expanded form of numbers? How do we convert one to the other? From our next video, we're going to learn about that. And you're going to get a good and deep understanding of the concept for you to be able to apply in solving questions that are related to the topic. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and share these videos. Follow our page. Join us in our TikTok Maths and Physics class. Join us on our YouTube channel Maths and Physics class. And on Facebook, we are there, Maths and Physics class. Join our follow our page. Make sure that you do this so that you get videos instantly whenever they are dropped and uploaded on the page. Thank you very much for following. Please do this for others to benefit. Thank you.